How to use Travelzoo Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Travelzoo is a popular platform for travel deals, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce savings or cause booking issues. Here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong. They assume all deals are available instantly. The surprising truth is that Travelzoo deals often have limited availability and expiration dates. Checking deal terms before booking is essential. Another mistake is ignoring total costs. Beginners sometimes focus only on the headline price, missing taxes, resort fees, or additional charges. Always calculate the full cost before confirming. Subscription misunderstandings are also common. Travelzoo offers free newsletters, but some exclusive deals may require account creation or email verification. Set up your account to access all offers. Finally, not comparing deals with other platforms is a pitfall. Travelzoo highlights curated deals, but checking multiple sources ensures you truly get the best price. In conclusion, using Travelzoo properly means checking availability, calculating total costs, understanding subscription access, and comparing deals. Avoiding these beginner mistakes guarantees smart, cost-effective travel planning in 2025.